Today I am reviewing the Edifier MR3 powered studio monitor speakers. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Edifier MR3 powered studio monitor speakers are a powerful pair of active bookshelf speakers that deliver professional quality sound for music lovers, content creators, and anyone who values precise, high-fidelity audio. Designed with both versatility and performance in mind, the MR3 speakers combine high-res audio certification, rich connectivity, and customizable sound modes, making them a standout choice for desktop setups, studio work, or everyday listening. Starting with sound quality, these speakers are high-res audio certified, which means they can accurately reproduce audio across a wide frequency range from 52 Hz to 40 kHz. This ensures that every instrument, vocal, and ambient detail comes through crystal clear. Whether you're mixing music, producing content, or simply enjoying your favorite tracks, you get an incredibly natural and flat frequency response that faithfully represents the original recording. The 3.5-inch mid-low drivers and 1-inch tweeters combine to deliver rich, full-range sound, while the 18 watts per channel RMS output and 92.5 decibel peak SPL provide ample volume without distortion, filling your room with immersive audio. Connectivity is one of the strongest points of the MR3. They support Bluetooth 5.4 with multi-point connection, allowing you to connect multiple devices wirelessly. For wired connections, there's a full suite of options including RCA, AUX, and balanced TRS inputs, giving you the flexibility to plug in computers, audio interfaces, musical instruments, or other audio sources. There's also a headphone output, which is perfect for late-night listening or private mixing sessions. The multiple connection options make these speakers highly versatile and adaptable to any setup. The customizable sound experience of the MR3 is impressive. Through the Edifier ConneX app, you can fine-tune your EQ settings to your personal preference or choose from preset modes, such as music, monitor, and custom. This makes the speakers ideal not only for casual listening, but also for professional applications, including audio production, video editing, or guitar practice, allowing precise control over how your audio sounds in any scenario. Design-wise, the MR3 speakers are built with MDF cabinets to reduce unwanted resonance and distortion, ensuring a clean, accurate sound. Their sleek black finish gives them a modern, minimalist aesthetic that fits nicely on a desk, bookshelf, or studio workstation. The compact size doesn't compromise performance, making them an excellent choice for small to medium-sized rooms. In summary, the Edifier MR3 powered studio monitor speakers are an outstanding option for anyone who wants high-res, professional-grade sound in a compact, versatile package. With precise audio reproduction, multiple connectivity options, customizable sound profiles, and a user-friendly design, they are perfect for home studios, content creators, or audiophiles looking for high-quality bookshelf speakers. Whether you're mixing tracks, editing videos, or simply enjoying music, the MR3 delivers immersive, accurate, and powerful audio that elevates your listening experience.